Hello everyone, welcome back to the Stock Channel. Today we are exploring how changes in government policies impact the infrastructure sector in India. Government policies significantly impact the infrastructure sector, influencing investment, project execution and overall sector growth. Here's how various policies affect this crucial sector. Number 1 is public-private partnerships. Policies promoting PPPs encourage private sector involvement in infrastructure projects. This can lead to increased investment, improved efficiency and faster project completion. Clear and supportive PPP frameworks attract private investors and enhance infrastructure development. Second would be regulatory environment. Streamlined regulations and efficient approval processes facilitate quicker project initiation and completion. Policies that reduce bureaucratic hurdles and provide clear guidelines for land acquisition, environmental clearances and construction permits help in timely execution of infrastructure projects. On number 3, tax incentives and subsidies. Tax breaks, incentives and subsidies for infrastructure development can attract investment and reduce project cost. Policies offering benefits like GST on construction materials or tax holidays for infrastructure companies make projects more financially viable. Lastly, sustainability and green infrastructure. Policies promoting sustainable and green infrastructure encourage environmentally friendly practices. Initiatives like renewable energy projects, green building and sustainable transportation systems align with global trends and attract investments focused on sustainability. In conclusion, government policies impact the infrastructure sector by influencing funding, encouraging private partnership, streamlining regulations, providing tax incentives, attracting FDI, promoting urbanization, supporting sustainability and implementing economic reforms. These policies collectively drive investment, efficiency and growth in the infrastructure sector.